who we are. We are Goods Factory, part of the Yellow Group. We are good at making fun and qualitative items for flowers and plants. Making the world a bit greener is our mission. Our Easy Day label offers a basic range of functional and high-qualitative pottery at attractive prices. Easy Day is both colourful and green in a sustainable way. Our pottery is made with recycled materials and is 100% recyclable after a long life. The Goods Factory runs on wind energy, and they are Europe-based to keep transport mileage low. We develop smart packaging to save both package material and valuable space in the truck. Goods Factory and Easy Day. Easygoing green pottery on top of today's trends.